Hey folks, welcome back. In this session, we'll understand how exactly the jump instruction is used. It's going to be only one instruction, so it's not going to take more time. Say it will take about 3 minutes for us to complete this session. So how does it work? Very simple, it's very easy to understand. The instruction is jump and it is represented with J and you can specify to where it should jump. Jump 1000 takes you to that location 1000, or you can have a label there and the label can be specified in the later part of the code as well. That's what I'm going to explain you right now through the simple code that we have written. In the code, the first it starts with text and then it goes to global main. As usual, we need these two and it's very mandatory. And in the main, this is the name of the function call. So the function is main, and li in T1 register we have got 5. In T2 we have got 5. This is just to load something with something, that's it. So I have just loaded it without any reasons. And J, jump here. This J is nothing but the jump which specifies to transfer the control to this jump here, and the jump here is nothing but is here, and jump here says that I need to load T4 and T5 with 5 and 6 respectively, and then I go with end, and in the end we quit. We quit with calling the system call, which is nothing but through a code 10. When you load the code 10 into V0, it quits properly. Can we see the code and the demo so that it can let you understand things better? Yes, we'll go through that demo right now. The code is very simple. As I explained you, I'm going to just jump to a location, but before that I have loaded some registers to see if things are okay. And when I do a jump here, when the jump is happening, it will go to T4 and T5 and load the registers T4 and T5 with 5 and 6 respectively, and then it will quit. I'm reinitializing the simulator. I'm loading this file, and before I load I need to see if all the registers are empty. Yes, T1, T2, T4, T5 are empty. T1, T2, T4 and T5, yes, they are all empty right now. Can we run it? Yes. Before jump it has loaded T1 and T2, and after jump it has loaded T5 and T4 respectively. That's all. It's very simple to use. You may have to use this frequently, so please learn it carefully, and I hope this was useful. If you have any suggestions, questions, please go ahead and write it in the comment section. If you like the channel and the content, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.